Hey, welcome to my channel where I encourage you to love the skin that you're in. Today is a really fun episode. It is our Mother's Day gift giving episode. But before that, I want to introduce you to someone very, very special. Okay, so let's talk gift guide. Mother's Day gift giving. Now, you know, I'm all into self-care and pampering products. And so today I thought we would feature some of my favorite gifts that I've given along the way to my own mom and my mother-in-law, and gifts that they have loved and gifts that are in all price points. Now, remember, if this is your first time here, welcome. You're only a visitor one time, so make sure and subscribe to this channel. My new videos typically drop on Tuesdays. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Glad to have you back. And make sure and like and share this. Leave me a comment. Let me know which one of these gifts you're like, I want to give that away, or I would like to have that. The first gift that I want to show you is this Mint Bliss Energizing Feet and Leg Gel. Oh my goodness. It's minty and it smells so delicious. I wish I could let you have a whiff of it. It is a cool lotion-y, it's a mix kind of between a lotion and a gel. And you can put this on your feet and on your legs, and it just soothes and refreshes. I also like to do neck and shoulder massages with it, and it feels really great in that respect too. It's only $11, so this is a really great budget-friendly product. But I was thinking if I was gonna give this, I had the idea that I would put some cute nail polish or some cute summer shoes like flip-flops or some kind of sandals or something like that. It depends on how well you know your mom, like if you could pick out flip-flops. This is the Mint Bliss Foot and Leg Lotion, and you just massage this into your bare feet and legs, and it refreshes and soothes, and it smells delicious too. All right, so the next gift set is Satin Lips. And I just stuck it in this little clear cellophane bag. I'm not a super fancy wrapper, so when I give gifts to the special people in my life, it's usually in a gift bag with shred or like tissue paper coming out of it. But I do this kind of thing a lot. Just a little cello bag with a little bit of shred. But this is the Satin Lips Set. And what Satin Lips is, it's a lip mask. So it helps to exfoliate and get rid of dry, chapped lips. It also, exfoliation helps with circulation in your lips, which also helps with lip fullness and lip plumpness. So as we're aging, doing lip exfoliation is good to keep our lips full. And now the second product that comes in the Satin Lips Set is the Satin Lips Balm. And this is just a pure moisturizer for your lips. It moisturizes your lips for hours. If you've ever been addicted to chapstick, like you're putting it on, that doesn't happen with this. And this is a product that I use all the time, all year round. And it just comes in a regular tube. I could have opened it and took it out of the box. I don't know why I didn't think of that. But anyway, they're just two little nice tubes, and this is just a sweet little gift to give. It's $22, and so another fantastic price point. You could even do these two together and still be in a great price point, and they would kind of coordinate too. But I'll link all the products in the description of this video. But which one of these two, which one are you more inclined to like? Do you like the Mint Bliss? Because you're like, oh my goodness, that would feel great on my feet. Or are Satin Lips more your jam? Or you're like, I need both those. Which one would your mom like? All right, so the next thing that we're gonna talk about is fragrances. And I have something really fun for you guys. I'm gonna link it also in the description, and it's a fragrance guide, and it helps you know what kind of fragrances you would tend to like lean into, and which ones to choose if you're buying one from my favorite brand, which is Mary Kay. So this is called If You Believe. Look how beautiful. Isn't this a sweet little bottle? And the box is even really pretty too. Let me show you the box so you know what that would come in. It's like purple and black, and this is the bottle for it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, and it smells, I don't even know how to describe it. It's strong. It's a strong, not floral, more musky scent. All right, the next, this is a longtime favorite in the Mary Kay line. This is called Belara. Belara, isn't this bottle beautiful? Oh, it smells good. It's very, very sweet. It's very sweet. And look how beautiful. I mean, it just fits in the palm of your hand perfectly. I think this is so pretty. Belara. Next is my favorite. This is called Cityscape. I've gifted this to my mama before. Cityscape. And it is like if you walk in the department store at the fragrance counter and you just smell that scent, that strong perfume scent, it's Cityscape. I'm just gonna spray some on myself right now because I just like it. It has a little bit of a citrus, sweet, kind of a mix of a citrus and sweet, but strong, like, and a scent that comes with you. We have a lot of fragrances, but fragrances are always a great thing to give your mom because they are a little, I don't know, more personal, I think. The bottle's beautiful, so it gives her something to set out and look at. And I think it is just a personal gift, And so fragrances are a great thing to give for Mother's Day. The next set is super fun. It's the MultiMasking Set. And I think I've given this to my mom too. In the MultiMasking Set, I have our charcoal mask. It's like a deep cleaning, pore cleaning mask that just really cleans out your pores. Did you know that when you have clean pores, they shrink? Like makeup, dirt, dead skin cells inside your pores stretch out your pores. And so then when you have stretched out pores, you can see them, and then your makeup goes down in and you can see that. But when your pores are cleaned out and detox, then they shrink, and this product helps with that. It also has a minty, it has peppermint oil in it, so it has a really soothing, refreshing. I use this every week. And then also in the MultiMasking Set, is the Moisture Renewal Gel Mask. And so this is a hydration mask. It has 10 age-fighting benefits. It softens fine lines and wrinkles, does extra moisture. I mean, just a lot of other things. I didn't look up the 10 because I'm a huge fan of this. I use this once or twice a week too, and sometimes I even sleep in it. But a fun thing you can do with this set, and if you're like seeing a gift on here and you're like, maybe I just need Jacqui to help me with this, just reach out to me and I can kind of put some things together for you. But this is a Mary Kay branded head wrap. It's so cute. You maybe have seen another video with me wearing it. But if you like the MultiMasking Set, let me know and we'll add that. I can add that headband with it. And it's just a nice extra touch. Here, let me put it on for you so you know what it looks like. It's so cute. So cute. Isn't that the cutest? I don't know if your mom would think it was cute, but my mama would think she'd think that was cute. You are just like, I just need that headband in my life. Reach out to me and let me know, and we'll figure out a way for you to get this headband. Isn't that so cute? You could, if you're a man, you could. Don't wear it as a bow tie. That would not be good. But anyway, these two products, like so, would be a great, I mean, this is fun. This is a total pampering. This is like, Mom, I'm giving you a spa day. And wow, what if I wasn't planning, this wasn't in my notes, what if you really gave your mom a spa day and gave her the MultiMasking, gave her Satin Lips, and gave her Mint Bliss? She would be like, I am pampering myself, self-care day for mama. All right, and then the last thing, this is the Prestige product, you know. This is actually what I gave my mom for her birthday on April 10th. And it is, It's our Retinol Set. Our Retinol 0.5. It comes with a high retinol, high concentrated retinol serum, and our calming and soothing facial milk. You all, I mean, I don't know if there's a you all here, but you, the person, the friend, the viewer, the subscriber who's watching this video, this is called Game Changer. This product has totally changed my skin. If your mom is like my mom and is cute, and even if, I mean, everybody's mom's cute, right? But if she really is into like having beautiful skin, no matter what her age is, on top of her normal skincare routine, this is an advanced age fighting product and she would love it. She would definitely, I mean, she would see the benefit long after Mother's Day. She would see the benefit of this product. Retinol does so much. Retinol tells skin cells to turn over to make new skin cells. So new skin cells are more youthful skin cells. And when we have always fresh new skin cells on the surface layer of our skin, then our skin just looks more radiant, vibrant. Retinol boosts collagen production, tells our skin to stay lifted. There's just so much goodness about retinol. Retinol is on my gift guide as a prestige product because it is a higher price point product. And so this is like for the person who's like, I'm going all out for my mom. And so this would be the gift for her. And so tell me, what is your favorite on our gift guide this year? We started with our foot cream, mint Bliss foot gel. Amazing. So drop it in the comments. Which one of these are you like, that would be a great gift for my mama? The second was Satin Lips. The third was just our fragrances, lots of different fragrances. And I'm gonna drop the fragrance gift guide in the description so you can look at that too. That'll be a fun thing for you to look over. And our multi-masking set with this, you could put any kind of a headband or a head wrap or a really nice washcloth and bathroom towel that coordinated with your mom's bathroom. You could put new pajamas with this, anything, new slippers, something fun, totally self-care. And then the last was our high concentrated retinol set. And so that is the first annual gift guide for Mother's Day. Share it if you have some other women in your life who are like, what am I gonna give my mom for Mother's Day? Share that with them, like, comment. Thanks for watching. Oh, and I wanted to invite you personally to the Confident Beauty Collective. The Confident Beauty Collective is a lovely space that is a community that I get to serve. And we are just a group of women growing in confidence in this season of aging, growing confidently in our outer beauty, our inner beauty, our faith, and our health. And so I wanted to invite you there. So thanks for watching today. Have a happy Mother's Day if you are a mother. If you have a mother to celebrate, enjoy celebrating her. And if your mother has already passed on or gone on, I feel that for you today. And so I hope that your Mother's Day weekend will be one that is filled with good memories of someone who is very special to you. Have a great day. Until next time. Bye-bye.